Hey everybody, this is Chintwa, your happiness specialist, coming to you with another unboxing video. You know what? The way I feel about this is wholly in a very, very positive way. I don't have any tattoos on me. A long time ago, I thought 10 seconds about getting one and I changed my mind. But stacking silver is now I'm getting to understand is the only thing I can compare it to is how people that have tattoos on their bodies, how they feel when they get one. They just don't stop at one. They go ahead and get two, three, four. Before you know it, their whole bodies are filled with tattoos. And to each their own. But this is exactly how I feel about stacking silver. Here is another package that came today, and this is the second one. I kind of know what's in this bigger one. All right, so I'm gonna open the big one first. Or should I do that? What do you think? Let's open the smaller one first. Here we go. I'm gonna cut it open so that I don't cut myself. All right, and just opening it for the first time. So let's put this on the side. Let's see what we got here. I love the joy of opening these things. It never gets old. It never gets old. So let's see. I think I have 2 coins on here. Two here. Let's see. I have Virgo, another Virgo. I think guess what I did? Looks like I have, yes, indeed. 1 Virgo. Look at it right there. That's Virgo right there. You see that? Can you see that detail? All right, that's 1. And I think I was talking to a Virgo friend the other day. That's why I went ahead and got 2 more. All right. So I promised him I was going to give it to him for his birthday. So here. Anyway, that's that one right there. Any cool? So let's pop open the second one. Let's see here. I'm gonna put this right there. Cut it. And I'll tell you what, I'm doing this video from the director's view of my smartphone. It's pretty cool. This feature they got here. Oh. Yeah. It's the director's view. I love it. The director's view. So what I'm doing here, I'm directing myself in opening this. Guess what we have? Ooh-wee. This here looks like it's the hippopotamus. Yes, this is the hippo. Another hippo that I just got. Okay. And I tell you what happened with this, why I ended up with 2 of them. When I ordered the first one, I forgot that I had ordered it already. And I was looking at it again and I went ahead and got another one. But you can't have too many of these. But here, check this out. What's the right way? Okay, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Can you look at that? See that? This is part of the Animals of Africa series. This is a 2-ounce silver. So I'm gonna pop it open with this acrylic case. And then it comes with its own, inside of that bigger acrylic case, it comes inside of this other acrylic round protective casing. Can you see that? That's a hippo. That's a hippo, y'all. Okay, and then this side, the obverse, shows you the coat of arms of the country of, I believe it's Sierra Leone. Yes, let me see. Oh, is it? Yes, I think it's Sierra Leone. All right, look at that. Beautiful design. All right, so I wanted to show you this because, every time I can't have enough of these, and you can't have enough of these. Once you get one of these in your hands, you get to hold one of these in your hands, pure silver in your hand, you can never get enough of them. And it's just like I talked about before, just like somebody that goes ahead and gets a tattoo, that they like. And then after that, they don't stop at that one. They keep getting and getting. Once I got to realize the value of stacking silver, I've been continuing on. I have a set amount that I get every single month, but between that time, between the time that I receive the ones that I get every single month, I go ahead and see what I like and I order it. So why am I telling you this? If you've been watching for a little bit and you've seen enough of these unboxing videos by now, here's the thing. What I'm about to tell you, I'm not giving you a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor or financial counselor. But years ago, I used to have a Series 6 license back in 2010. I let that go. So I'm not giving you a financial advice, but I'm just kind of telling you what I do because I already get a pension from, when I used to work as a cop. So I get that. And I'm currently also working right now, in Florida. So where I work, I have the opportunity to also uh, open a 401k through the job because the job matches. So what did I do? I went ahead and I started at 10% and they match I think up to 4% of your investment. I went ahead and did 10 because I know the value of what do you call it, dollar cost averaging. Always staying consistently invested. Oh, I just saw a hawk through the window. Being consistently being invested. All right. So regardless whether you're doing 1%, as long as you don't do 0%, you're okay. 1%, 2%, 3%, whatever it is that you can do. Where if you're working right now, if you're watching this video, like, where I work, I'm not investing. My job has, an option of, investing and they match. Go ahead and do as much as you can do without putting yourself into a financial hole. As long as you're not doing zero, because 0 times 0 is 0. But if you're investing, say one anywhere from 1 to 10% is great. Keep doing that because you're not really going to miss that money because it's pre-tax. Okay, that's the thing. What I did, this also cuts your, end of year tax liability when you invest because that what you're putting away is pre-tax money. All right, so you don't get taxed on it until you're 59 and a half or age of retirement. That's when when you finally take a distribution, that's when you pay the federal taxes on that money. So if you can, whatever percentage you can do, go ahead and do that. Because I ended up increasing mine to 20% because I didn't want to pay Uncle Sam right now, upfront, so much in taxes. So I'm waiting until I'm ready to take out that money that I'm doing, that I'm putting away. So 10%, can you do that? 20%, can you do that? Whatever it is that you can do that. And I'm also investing close to, I'm going to give you the number. It's close to $200 that I invest on a consistent basis with, this. All right, precious metals, in this case, silver, and I do a little bit of gold too. So, but in the course of that, I actually do more than that because, like I said, I have a set amount that I invest, in every single month. That comes, unless I change it consistently. But between that point, I also, see things that I like and I buy them. And that's what I'm showing you right now, the ones that just came, like this Virgo. Let me see. See this beautiful lady here, Virgo, okay? I got two of them. So I'm doing that. So they say diversify your investment. So that's basically what that means, investing in different things that will give you long-term dividend, down the road. All right, precious metals is a great one. In this case, silver. I had never invested in silver before or any kind of precious metal up until probably, I used to, buy presidential proofs, but that's not the same as something like that. It's not. This is sexy. This is what my friend Cedric calls sexy. All right. So if you can do that, go ahead and do it. And if you're curious and you want to know what Chin has been doing, why Chin is doing these videos, these fancy videos of his talking about precious metal, talking about silver stacking, shoot me a message. All right. Because I'm going to post this on YouTube later. So shoot me a message. If you see it on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. It could be down here, depending on what device that you're watching on, or up here somewhere. Hit that subscribe button. Next time I do a video, you'll get notified that, hey, there's a video to watch. All right. If you want to know what we're doing, what we're running with, let me know. If you want to get involved, shoot me a message or respond to this video. I will share with you what we're doing. It's not as, it doesn't take a whole lot to get started. You'll be surprised. You can do one of these every single month for under $30. All right, you can get one of these for under $30 if you're a member. All right, so shoot me a message if you want to know what it is that we do. If you're serious to actually get your hands on these beautiful things. All right. It's not like paper money. This is actually real valuable money. Silver and gold are. They don't depreciate. They don't lose value like our paper money. All right. So I wanted to shoot this quick unboxing video for you so that you get to appreciate what it is that we're doing here. All right. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, this is Chintwa, your happiness specialist. And remember that everyone you meet is fighting a battle you know nothing about. So be kind, always. And as always, 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 be loving, be loved. God bless you. Take care. Take care. Bye for now. Take care. Bye for now.